Hey guys, how you doing? Yes, my name is Kathu and welcome to my channel. Learn Maths with Kathu. So, in our last lesson, when we were going through the multiplication trick for mastering table 14, I left you with one question for practice. If it doesn't ring a bell, I'll leave the link to that lesson in the description box below so that you're all on the same page. So what was the question? Work out this divide by 14. Okay? So anytime you see a question like this, you should automatically know that you need to be conversant with table 14. Okay? And this is what you said about table 14. This is 14 times 1 times 2 times 3 times 4 times 5 times 6 times 7 times 8 times 9 and times 10. So this is what you said about table 14. Okay, so now we can answer this question very, very easily. So let's answer this question together. So where does 27 fall in table 14? 27, as you can see, is in between 14 and 28. So that means that you'll write a 14 because 14 is less than 27. Are we together? So that means that you'll write a 1 here because 1 times 14 is 14. When you subtract, 7 minus 4 is 3 and 2 minus 1 is 1. The next step will be to drop the 4. So where is 134 in table 13? Sorry, table 14. 134 is in between 126 and 140, right? So that means that you'll write 126 because 126 is less than 134. So that means that we'll write a 9 here. So we'll write a 9 here because 9 times 14 is 126. Okay? When you subtract, you get, you borrow 1 here. 14 minus 6 is 8. Okay? And by the way, subtraction is a topic that I did some time back. So if you're struggling with borrowing and subtracting, I'll leave the link to that lesson in the description box below, so that you're all on the same page. Okay, so the last step is to drop the 4. When you drop the 4, you have 84, right? So where is 84 in table 14? 84 is here, right? So that means that you'll write a 6 because, as we can see, 6 times 14 is 84. And 84 minus 84 is 0. Are we together? Yes. And just like that, you have your answer. So the answer to that question is 196. Are we together? Okay. So now that you've understood that, we can go through today's topic. Today, I'd like us to continue the multiplication table tricks. So far, we've gone through the tricks for mastering tables 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. So today, I'd like us to go through the trick for mastering table 15. So, for table 15, we won't be required to draw any table or any shape, okay? So for table 15, we'll just write the table 15 like this. And then we'll first start by writing out the multiplication table like this. And then, now for the digits in the tens place, we'll be expected to write all the numbers from 1 to 15 in ascending order, okay? Ascending order just means from the smallest to the largest, okay? But here, there will be a specific pattern that we'll be following, okay? So we won't just write all the numbers from 1 to 15. We'll write odd and even numbers interchangeably. Are we together? So like when we start by writing two odd numbers, so we'll start by writing two odd numbers and two even numbers, like that, like that. All right, together, and I still believe you remember what she said about odd and even numbers. If you don't, I'll leave the link to that video in the description box below. Okay? Yes. So what do I mean? Yes, we'll write all the numbers from 1 to 15, but we'll start by writing odd numbers, then even numbers interchangeably. Okay? So here, we'll write 1 and 3. Those are the first two odd numbers. Are you together? Then here we'll continue with 4 and 6, because those are the next even numbers. Then we'll continue. Here we'll write 7 and 9. 7 and 9. Then here we'll continue with 10, 12. Then we'll write 13 and 15. Okay? And that's basically it for the digits in the tens place. Are you together? Yes, and if you'd like to continue, feel free to do so. So for the numbers in the ones number place, we'll do what we did when we were covering table 5. Okay? So you remember how for table 5, we wrote 5 and 0 interchangeably? So that's the same thing we'll be doing here. So we'll write 5 and 0 interchangeably. Are you together? So here, we'll start with 5, 5, 0, 5, 0, 5, 5, 0, 5, 0, 5, 0. Are we together? And just like that, you have your table 15. That was quite easy, right? So today, as usual, I leave you with one question for practice. Work out, this is the question that I want to leave you with. Work out this divide by 15. Okay? And that's basically it. Math is pretty easy and fun, right? Exactly. Always remember that practice makes perfect. If you enjoyed the lesson, feel free to like, share, because sharing is caring, and subscribe so that you don't miss any time I upload a new video. Subscribing is free. Yay! See you in 2 weeks' time. Same place, same time.